Hello, everyone. Hello, and happy Wednesday. Alrighty, y'all. I am still rooting, okay? Still rooting on Princess Abigail. Abigail Awake. Alright, you guys. Let me do my member shout outs. Because you guys are awesome, you're amazing, and you rocks. And I appreciate you being here with your TT, hanging with your TT, and all that good stuff. Because you know how we do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My whoa, 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 babies. Yes, yes. Miss Tammy Mercer. Alicia Bryant. Calicia Ellis. One Jazz Diva, Tiffany Townsend, Jeanette McCarter, Q is Q, Sharon S.J., Kimberly White, Robin Artistic Hands, Veronica McKinley, Miss Marlene Mack, Yvonda Jones, Cheryl Punch, Yaya, Ladybug, Beautifully Made, Jackie Williams, Janice Beauties, Cheryl Bletcher, Carter's Eats, Auntie Shauna's Life Moments, Deborah Scott, Delana Tribble, Reborn Lover 129 Nicholas, Laura Attinger, Finette LeBurn, Mary Lloyd, Teresa Johnson, Vivian Townsend, Brenda Sims, Big Hot's Reborn Nursery, Denise Cole, Rosalind Kastner, Royalty Babies, Sharon T. Dawes, JJ, Cinnamon Moulton, Latisse Santiago, Marbelt Rubbles, Alicia Fountain, Julie Moore, Latanya Wilkerson, Sparkle 8766 Sparkle, Anne Marie Cullum, Oreo Mouse 888, The Strange Nursery, Shakita Bedford, Pam John, Incognito Kid, April Speed, Lisa Story Babies, Jada Mamoon, Stephanie's 50 and Climbing Mukbangs, Kimberly Jackson, Tony Hendricks Green, Carrie Green, Brother Hurt, Cheryl Madden, Maria Crawford, and Ashley Kelly. I just want to thank everyone that has sowed a seed into my channel. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. I appreciate you being here for your TT. I appreciate you guys watching my content, joining me on my lives, chit-chatting with me, leaving me comments, because I like reading my comments, y'all. And just being here for your TT. It means a lot to me. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Like, words cannot express how my woo babies have came and showed out. I appreciate you guys. A lot of you came over from Facebook. I know that it was hard learning a different platform, but I appreciate you guys for learning it with me, for rocking with me. And TT loves you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the world to me. It really does. A lot of my members are not content creators. So the ones that are content creators, I will be doing a updated version, because I do want to let people know about you guys' channel. So I will be doing a updated one soon. But like I said, thank you, everyone. You guys are amazing. And TT loves you. And see you later. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up on your way out. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up on your way out. If you're new, hit subscribe. If you're new, hit subscribe and turn your bell on. Turn your bell on. See you later. TT on her grind, trying to shine. Hit the like button one at a time. Welcome to the woo 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 baby family. This is the place that you wanna be. I'm a reborn artist, family entertainment. Oh, oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist, family entertainment. Oh, oh, unlimited fun. Reborn artist, family entertainment.